Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, we will be discussing about 10 essential lab practices to ensure safe and effective work, especially in the microbiology lab. Whether you are a student or professional, following these practices is crucial for accurate result and maintaining a healthy lab environment. So let's get started. The number one is PPE, the personal protective equipment. Always prioritize your safety by wearing the appropriate personal protective equipments. This includes lab coat, gloves, safety glasses, and face mask when necessary. Make sure your PP fits well and it is in good condition to provide adequate protection. Second, the sterilization and disinfection. Maintaining a sterile environment is vital in the microbiology lab. Regularly sterilize and disinfect all equipment, surfaces, and workspaces to prevent cross-contamination. Make the use of autoclaves, hot air ovens, and chemical disinfectant for effective sterilization. The third is aseptic technique. It is a fundamental practice in microbiology. It involves minimizing the introduction of contaminants. Keep your work area sterile, handle culture carefully, and use flame sterilization for inoculating loops and needles. The fourth is proper handling and storage of microorganisms. When working with microorganisms, it is crucial to follow guidelines for their safe handling, storage, and disposal. Label and store culture appropriately and handle potentially hazardous microorganisms with caution. The fifth is laboratory hygiene. Maintaining a clean and hygienic lab environment is essential. Regularly clean benches, equipments, and glassware to prevent contaminations. Properly dispose of biohazardous waste and ensure spills are contained and cleaned up promptly. The sixth is accurate measurement and record keeping. Accurate measurement and record keeping are critical in lab work. Use calibrated equipment and follow precise measurement technique. Keep detailed record of experiments, procedure, and observation for future reference. The seventh is adherence to standard operating procedure, that is SOPs. Usually, every lab has established standard operating procedure. It is crucial to follow these procedures for all lab activity. Ensure that you and your team are trained to the SOPs and adhere to them consistently. Moving ahead, the number 8 is regular equipment maintenance and calibration. To ensure reliable result, regularly inspect and maintain lab equipments. This includes calibration as per recommended schedule to maintain accuracy. Well-maintained equipments contribute to the overall quality of your work. The number 9 is risk assessment and safety measures. Before conducting any experiment, perform a thorough risk assessment. Identify the potential hazards and accordingly implement appropriate safety measures to mitigate the risk. Ensuring the safety of yourself and your colleague is utmost important. And finally, continuational professional development and training. To stay at the forefront of microbiology, engage in the continuation professional development, stay updated with the latest advancement and practices in the field of microbiology, participate in relevant training program and workshop to enhance your knowledge and skills. And there you have it. These 10 lab practices are essential for anyone who is working in a microbiology lab. By following these guidelines, you will ensure a safer and more efficient working environment. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and do share these information among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.